Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2015 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, FWD, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.